is Ariana from Mobility Plus North Scottsdale. Thank you for purchasing the Pride Go Chair. With your purchase, you should have received this charger, and today I'm going to be showing you how to charge your Go Chair. Your charger should have two ends. One is a three-pronged plug that will go directly into the power chair, and the other is a three-pronged plug that will go directly into the wall. Any standard outlet is fine. First, you're going to take the three-pronged plug that goes into the power chair, and you're going to lift the right arm of the power chair, and you're going to plug it in right below the arm. Next, you're just going to simply take the outlet plug and plug it right into your wall. Something worth noting is that if you really don't want to take in your power chair to find an outlet and you just want to take the battery box, you can plug this plug into the battery box directly and just bring in the battery box to charge, and you don't need to bring in your whole scooter for whatever room or house you're going into. It just makes it easier to transport and easier to charge, and I'll show you how to do that. You're just going to go below to the battery box, pull up this flap, and plug it right in. Something that's important to note is your charging box. So on the top here we have a red light, and this just basically means that there's power going into the charging box. So we want this to be lit. The bottom light is either going to be red, blinking green, or solid green. If it's red, it means it needs a charge. If it's green, it means it's fully charged and ready to go. And if it's blinking green, that means it's doing a trickle charge. And a trickle charge just means it needs a little bit of topping off as far as energy goes. Something important to note about your power chair's battery is that you should not leave it plugged in for more than